This is the campus of PW Institute of Innovation. I'm here to celebrate Christmas by giving the gifts to the innovative students of PW IOI. But it's not easy. लाइफ में इतना इजीली गिफ्ट्स मिलने लगे तो फिर लाइफ ही कैसी? I will challenge PW IOI students to perform on my task and अगर वो टास्क कर पाए then only I will give them gifts. Sounds crazy, right? Let's go. What's up? You are looking deep in thoughts. What are you thinking?
Hi Santa, I was just reflecting how some great companies fade away over time.
Oh, interesting. I have a challenge for you. Imagine you are CEO of Nokia, a giant in mobile industry. What would you do to bring it back to its past glory?
Wow, Nokia. It's a difficult one, but let me try it.
Perfect. You have 90 seconds. Think strategically and creatively. Your time starts now.
Okay, let's go with the strengths of the Nokia, the legacy of having durable phones and trust. I would like to innovate in the emerging markets like India and Africa, where affordability and the quality matters the most.
Smart move. What else?
I would like to collaborate with tech giants, obviously for tech support, and maybe a unique Android interface or applications. And of course, I would invest in 5G and IoT technologies, ensuring Nokia stays relevant in the current smart device space.
Impressive. What about brand image?
Absolutely a fresh marketing campaign that connects with millennials and Gen Z. Something like which is nostalgic yet modern.
Well done. That's some CEO level thinking right there. What's about implementation?
Strong partnerships, aggressive R&D, and use of social media to re-engage loyal fans. And of course, we'll be thinking about sustainability initiatives too, eco-friendly packaging and recycling programs.
Brilliant. Your gift is well deserved. I wouldn't be surprised to see Nokia sign again.
Thanks, Santa.
You know, PW IOI has two schools, SOT, which is the School of Technology, and the SOM, which is the School of Management. And I got to know that SOT students are working on real life projects. अभी दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी करते हैं.
Hey,
You are from SOT, right?
yes.
I have a interesting problem statement for you to solve using tech.
Can I use ChatGPT?
Chalak, bro. Then what's the point of this problem statement?
Okay.
If you complete this task under 2 minutes, I will give you a gift.
What kind of gift?
That's a surprise.
Deal.
You are living in Bangalore, right? What do you think about traffic?
Traffic jam. मेरा आधा जिम तो ट्रैफिक जैम में ही रह गया.
Exactly. Here is your problem statement. Develop a traffic system which would use real-time data and would help in smooth flow of traffic.
बट सेंटा हमारे पास तो ऑलरेडी ट्रैफिक लाइट्स हैं, तो हमें इस सिस्टम की जरूरत क्यों है?
Good question. Traditional traffic lights operate on a fixed schedules. They don't adapt to real-time conditions. So it would result in unnecessary delays and traffic jams.
Absolutely. Challenge accepted, bro.
Great. Your time starts now.
Real time optimization. Oh, okay. Think. Traffic jams, signals, Bangalore, madness. Santa, why do you hate me?
Hate? Never. I am your biggest cheerleader. Now get moving, genius. Your clock is ticking.
No pressure. Right. Firstly, I need data, real time data, so I can build this. ट्रैफिक डेंसिटी, एवरेज स्पीड, व्हीकल काउंट्स, ये सब एक साथ में मैं कैसे करूं? मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा. IoT.
Oh, smart kid.
I hook up to a system, to a central system. I use machine learning in this. Find the patterns about this. Okay. जब पूरी दुनिया को मेरी जरूरत होती है तभी बग क्यों आता है?
Because life loves drama. Fix it, Rohit.
Done. Real time traffic optimizer ready to roll. Santa, give me my gift.
Wait, show me, explain your project.
So, इसमें हमने मशीन लर्निंग का बेसिकली यूज़ किया है, जिसमें हमने रैंडमली कोई भी डाटा लिया और उसके बाद उस डाटा के हिसाब से हमने अपना जो कोड है उसको इनिशियलाइज किया। तो बेसिकली फर्स्ट हमने क्या किया कि ऑप्टिमाइज लाइट, हमने लाइट्स के बेस, क्योंकि अपने को सबसे पहले लाइट्स को देखना पड़ेगा कैसी है। अगर हमारे पास ट्रैफिक 30 से ऊपर है उस जगह, तो हम उसमें अपना जो लाइट्स है उसको ज़्यादा यूज़ करेंगे, और अगर उसमें 30 से कम या कम ट्रैफिक है तो उसमें लाइट्स का कम यूज़ करेंगे। लो लाइट भी उसमें काम कर जाएगी हमारी, ताकि एक्सीडेंट से बचा रहे या वो चीज़ें नहीं हो। उसके बाद हमने रन सिमुलेशन फंक्शन बनाया, जिसमें हमने ट्रैफिक लाइट्स का यूज़ किया, कि जिसमें हमने इंटरसेक्शन, जो मतलब अगर कोई क्रॉस कर रहा है तो वो जो कैमरा में कैप्चर हो सके उसकी वो आईडी और उसके बाइक के जो पीछे नंबर हैं, ताकि अगर उसने गलत तरीके से उसने क्रॉस करा या फिर उसने फास्टर वो चला रहा है अपनी व्हीकल को, तो उसको हम डिटेक्ट कर सके और आगे आने वाले फ्यूचर में उस पर फाइन या वो चीज़ें लगा सके। और बेसिकली ये हमारा कोड है। आई होप आपको कोड पसंद आया होगा।
Brilliant work, Rohit. Your solution could save many lives. You deserve a gift.
थैंक यू सेंटा।
Hey, what are you working on?
Hi Santa, I'm working for a full stack website for you.
Well, impressive. Can you create a Christmas tree using a programming language?
Just a Christmas tree, that's a child play with Santa.
Really? Let's see. If you can build it under 2 minutes, I'll give you a surprise gift.
In 2 minutes, a surprise gift. Chalo deal.
Time starts now.
Sure. Let me just open you. Here it is, a Christmas tree. I coded it with Python. You know, you can do a lot many cool things with coding language, programming.
How? All of you are so talented.
Santa, we are standing in PWIOI, the Institute of Innovation. Here, we learn, do hard work, and strive ourselves to be the best in the industry.
Here is your gift. I'm sure that I'll see you on top someday.
Thank you, Santa.
Hi bro. What's up? What's your good name?
I'm Nitish. I'm studying in second year of SOM.
Oh yeah. As you are a student of management, I have a challenge for you.
Okay.
You have to explain me a business idea that could blow up in future or could be your next unicorn. You have to explain me that idea in 1 minute. Your time starts now.
Imagine a new age fashion business school where we are not just teaching but then we're actually doing it. When you take beat from the soil to fiber, fiber to fabric and fabric to fashion. Here we are not just teaching them how to build brand but also how to go global. If you ask me why will this work or something, see, here we are not just training people or we are not just providing the education but we are providing here end to end. We are not just getting the top 1% of the industry mentors but providing everything under one roof. Be it designing, be it manufacturing or be it going global and building a brand. Everything under one roof.
You won, Nitish. This is a gift for you.
Thank you.
Ho ho ho! This Christmas has been special. The students of PWIOI truly embody innovation and excellence. I can't wait to see how far they will go. Merry Christmas to all, and remember, keep innovating and chasing your dreams.